Hello everyone. Today I will share with you about buffer in Vim. So buffer in Vim is a memory to save a text from your file. So when you open a file and you change something, it will not write directly into your file, but firstly it will write to a buffer until you call the command W to save. It will copy on the text from the buffer into your file. And if you are quick without save, then it will copy nothing from your buffer into a file so that your file will not change. Okay, so to check to check on the buffer to list on the buffer, we have a command that buffer. Okay, so delete delete show that I have only one buffer, and you will see the number that one, and the next symbol is tell me that this is the current buffer, and next is the name of the file and the current line. Okay, so I will try to use buffer. Okay, save. Okay, you will see that the line one now is changed to a line two because that's the current line in the current buffer. And now if you want to open a new file in a new buffer, you will use the command E with the name of the new file or the name of the existing file. I have 10 2. Okay, I will open it. And now let's check out my buffers here. So now I have two buffers and my current buffers is 10 2 and the current line is line 1. Okay, so if I want, okay, let's open the temp 3 here. Okay, I'm in the temp 3 and let's check out the buffer. So now how can I jump into the temp 2? I will use the command bb. It means a buffer. It means a buffer and previous. This is a shorthand bb. Okay, I will jump into the temp 2 because the previous of temp 3 is temp 2 and the previous of temp 2 is temp. So now I PP again. I will jump into temp 1. So what if I want to move forward instead of move backward? I will use BN. BN means buffer next. Okay, before next. So this is a quite that like you need to do a lot of work if you have like 10 buffers. So if you are in the middle and you want to go to the end, you will type many times PN. So this is not very a convenient way to do that. We so in Vim we have the command that P with the number of the buffer. So let's check out. Currently, I am in a temp 3. So if I want to jump directly into a temp 1, I will type B1. Okay, you will see that I jump directly into the temp 1. Or more convenient way that we don't remember about the number of the buffer, but we can remember about the name of the file so that you can type P with the name of the file like temp2. Done. It's really nice. Again, if I want to jump into a temp 3, I will be temp 3. Okay. And next we will talk about how we can delete a buffer. If you want to delete this buffer, I will be in D. That's it. But please keep in mind that BD will not delete your buffer if your file is not saved. So change something here. Okay, so now I want to delete it. It will say that no rise in last chance for buffer 2. So it want me to like make sure that I need to save and I want to delete this buffer. If you are sure about this, you want to delete it without save, you need to type a command pd with this symbol, okay, and enter. Even that you don't save it, you can delete this buffer, and your all latest change will not write into your file. Okay, so let's recap. The buffer is a small memory to write from to hold your text from your file. And if you want to list on the buffer, we have this command. You want to jump to the previous buffer, we have pp. We have one you want to jump into the next buffer, we have pn. And also it's provide the number that you want to jump into the buffer number one, so you will type p1. You want to jump into the buffer number 10, then you will type b10. And it also have a more convenient way, I think, that you type p and with the name of the file name here, and which will jump into the buffer of that file name of that file who's have the same file name. Okay, and we have a pd, which is they delete the buffer, but keep in mind that you cannot delete a buffer if you have not saved it yet. And if you make sure that you want to delete buffer and you don't need to save the latest change, so that you can use BB and with this symbol. So that's it. That's it about buffer in Vim for today. If you like this video, please click to like button. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will answer it as soon as possible. And if you enjoy my channel, um, remember to click the subscribe button and the notification, the ring bell icon next to the subscribe button to notify it about my latest video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.